Right, so what is up guys? Shutdown PZ here, and today I'm going to be bringing you the pack opening that I promised. And now we are on Xbox One, which is great. I'm absolutely loving the console. Gone out and purchased that today with FIFA, and we'll be buying Advanced Warfare and GTA soon. But let's get into these packs. Right, so first I think we're going to go with a 25k pack. We're going to go one of these, and then we'll go 7.5k packs, depending on how we do. Just leave the first pack to roll. What are we going to get? Gundogan. That's not too bad. That is not too bad, actually. It's not 25k, but it's not too bad. We'll place him on transfer list. Benyat's not too bad, and Polini's pretty decent. I think we'll just keep everything. Yeah, from that one, we'll keep everything there. Then let's go with 7.5k packs. Let's do this. Let's skip this one. Bang. Van der Veer, does he sell for anything? Put him on transfer first. I'll keep contracts. Always need contracts. Just as we have just got this, and we'll take a new stadium as well. There we go. Straight into the next pack. Close your eyes. Rakitic is quite a good pack. I'm feeling the pack luck at the minute. Oh, 2,000 coins and 1,000 coin boost in the same pack. Nice. I'll take that. Next one, let's go. Set it up on that spinny chair pack. He's not that good. I'll put him on transfer list. And we'll keep all the consumables, because you do need consumables, especially when starting this game. And we'll make that a badge. Nice. Quick sell them, manage task complete, and we will retrieve the headphones, and then we'll get into the next pack. Right, so let's go with this one. Bang bang. Skip. Soldado, not too bad. Let's keep consumables again. We'll make that active stadium, because that's quite nice. I think that's my active stadium on PlayStation. I'll keep that as a kit. There we go. Let's fire through these packs. Go skip. Dear Samba. Right. Suppose we're getting a few chemistry styles. These will be useful when we build our first team. I'll keep the kit, and that can all go. Getting ourselves a few coins. I'm thinking possibly buying 200k for this, so I can get a team started. Got Benyat again. Yeah, so I'm gonna buy 200k, get myself started, because everyone else is kind of like started, and I'm a bit screwed if I don't have any coins. So probably best thing to do. It's only a $5, so it's not too much. And these packs were predominantly for video purposes for you guys. Just told you I'd do this, so we better do it. We'll leave this pack to roll out, and I won't. We'll skip Terry and Vla, two of the slowest BPL centre backs. Brilliant. We'll keep them on transfer list. Keep consumables. Finisher chemistry was quite nice. That was looking alright kit. Bye bye. So I think after this pack we will have 10k. Obviously not much, but better than nothing. We'll skip this one. Adriano and Top Rack, they might sell. Oh, we got a Chelsea badge. That's not too bad. That'll probably sell for a little bit. And then just make that our active badge. That looks pretty funny. Don't know why. Just does. Let's go. Okay, I opened that with coins. Brilliant. Brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant.
A great start, get coins.
Oh, why did I do that?
Oh, he had him.
Form last week. That's depressing.
And then we
What
bought
that
the coins. Ooh, he's got decent pace.
And decent dribbling. Okay. Maybe not. We'll put them on transfer list so we can show you the best players we got. When we get to the end, keep all these, keep. These kits, that's quite nice. That one's pretty shit. Let's go.
Not my pack.
Of these 7 arcade packs, pretty
Yeah.
meh.
This can all go. Pixels. That's a 5k pack.
Then we're going to have a 5 pack.
Bangalore. He is
nice pace.
He's a weird player pace, so we'll keep him.
Take consumables.
What's this kit?
And that'll go.
Okay. Bit of lag.
Always nice to get a bit of lag. Okay, we'll come back to you when this lag is finished and we'll open the... Oh no, we won't, because we're back.
I'm getting on the fake ones.
That's lovely. Silver pack. It is.
This is a nice little pack to end off here.
A non-rare silver pack is pretty bad, but then what could I expect?
Suppose you've
Few
got
more things.
consumables.
Not
Too
bad overall.
so I think that would.
This was a pack opening I promised you, and I've made sure I did bring this. I really
I hope you guys
guys
have enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe. I hope you had a good Christmas and
see you. Not
too
bad overall.
so I think that would.
This was a pack opening I promised you, and I've made sure I did bring this. I really
I hope you guys have enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe. I hope you had a good Christmas and
see you.
Please like, comment and subscribe. I hope you had a good Christmas and
See you.